Today we are going to check out the Fuse 100 Bluetooth speaker by Infinity because it's the only one in their lineup that I have not covered on the channel. Hey guys, I am Siddharth and let's get started. Opening the box, you will find a charging cable, manual, a color matched shoelace and the speaker. The design and build of Fuse 100 is really good. It really looks like a more expensive product. The mesh surrounding it has a very nice feeling to it, and the rubberized top and bottom also feel really good to touch. On top, you have this point to attach a strap so you can hang it at different places, and at the center, you have the power button with an Infinity logo that lights up. Then you have the volume control and the multifunction button towards the edges. You can also use these buttons to change tracks and to accept or reject calls, and if you long press the play pause button, you can connect it to another Fuse 100 speaker and use them in stereo mode, which is a really nice feature to have in this price range. One small issue about these buttons is that they are not very easy to press, but it's not a big deal. Opening the flap at back will let you access the micro USB charging port and the aux-in port for wired use. The reason you have a flap is that this is IPX7 water resistant, so you can throw it in water and it will float without getting damaged. By the way, make sure that you are subscribed to the channel with the bell so you don't miss out on future videos. Now this looks like an omnidirectional speaker, but it is actually a directional speaker, and you have the driver positioned at the front above the Infinity logo. But I actually like this design choice as you have all its power directed towards you. You also have a microphone on this speaker, and it doesn't sound as good as using your phone, but it works well and people on the other side were able to easily understand me. The battery life is around 8 hours, which is decent. Coming to the sound quality, it is really good for the price. Compared to its smaller sibling, you are getting a big jump in sound quality, and for watching videos on your phone, it is really good. It is also good for listening to music, but the low end is not going to be amazing because of its small size. You can switch between a deep bass mode and a normal EQ mode by holding the two volume buttons, and while on the other Infinity products, I recommended to use the normal EQ mode. With this speaker, the deep bass mode is kind of needed for music as it kind of makes up for the lack of low end you would get with a speaker of this size. But it also makes the treble a bit harsh because it seems to apply a V-shaped sound signature. So for watching YouTube videos, I prefer the normal EQ mode. Other than that, the speaker sounds bigger than what you would expect by looking at its size, and I think that it offers a really good combination of size, weight, sound quality and price. I will now give you a sound demo so you can get an idea of the sound. So if you are shopping in the 1500 rupees price range, I would definitely recommend this speaker. It is just a very well-rounded product, and all the Infinity speakers have a really good design and build, and they all feel really great in hand. So you can check my links in the video description to buy or check its current price, and you can also check out the reviews of other Infinity products. So give this video a thumbs up if you found it to be helpful. Subscribe for more awesome videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.